Alright, good evening everyone. Welcome back to Animal Crossing New Leaf. Welcome, Amiibo. Thank you for your patience and apologies for the fact that we're doing this, I guess, later. Well, I guess this is about the average time we do it anyway, but hope your Tuesday was well. Mine was pretty normal, I guess. It was fine, but I really didn't go anywhere today. A tadpole, I don't know why I'm... Okay. I'll try, but bear with me. Talk to our villagers. I'll do the coffee at the end of the episode today. So I'll just mix it up a little. I'll take care of it. Okay. Really nothing new today, basically. Just tiredness, I guess. I really don't know how to explain it, I guess. Hmm. Here, take this. Take this orange. Okay. No problem. Okay. Now let's check out our camper here for the day. I know there's no camper at the campsite because, the day after there's usually nobody's, but yeah. Franklin's here again. Day 67, I think, for the game. That could be very misleading. I'm sorry. Tomorrow night, I'll be heading to Hillside Park. We'll be heading over to Daria's for Wonderful Wednesday, so that should be wonderful. Let's take this tea set. What's my inventory like? Okay, it's not bad, alright. I know I have the kitty wall already. That's literally my main room right now. Library wall, what is that? We'll take that, yeah, sure. I think I've seen that before, but I'll just take it anyway. We'll take that as well. Alright. I know I haven't dug up any fossils or anything yet, but I just want to come up here. Why am I talking to... Fossils, where you at? Well, we got one so far. We might need just two more, I think. What? What is it? Beefcake? Weird, but I guess. Beefcake. Okay. I'm pretty much known as Beefcake now. Okie dokie. Who would call me Beefcake? It's silly, but also it's a little awkward, I guess. I don't know where everybody's at. Oh, here we go. I got a full on the tour, basically, kind of. No, well, maybe not. I do seek it upon God's calling to be at Hillside Park a lot more. I know I've said many times already. I want to talk about my home church as it relates to something at the end here. So at the end, after I do the cafe stuff, doing a coffee job, I want to talk to you a bit about Center Hill a little bit. Situation today specifically. And really what Michael Martin has found out by Sandy. Toward this weekend, I guess toward yesterday. Since we don't have enough room to get that, we'll come back and do it later, or a little later on, I guess. I'll have to do the cafe guide on here because my phone battery on the other one, where I usually get it, is dead. We just try. That's the benefit, but it's okay. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow, like everything is like full here. We don't need the Brustoid. We don't need a 1-ball tea either. Take this patchwork sofa. Go for it. Be good for something you just sit on. I think you got a pretty good deal, as a matter of fact. Alright. Well, I will talk to you about the pasture search committee thing as it relates before we go do the coffee. I don't know what's going on in the living room. And that relates to something I'll talk to you about in just a moment. Alright. Whoa, geez, how in the world did you get back in your house? There's no way. Did you just defeat me or something? Okay, that's fair. It looks good back there, I actually like that. Hello, Nox. Okay. Let's get into our house and put some, well, here we go. And put some furniture in. And exchange the wall and the, not wall, but whatever. I have to change the wall here. And we'll put the library wall. Looks a little better, kind of. We can easily order kitty wall another time if we ever need it, but I don't know, man. Let's put this screen right here. I don't need the writing desk. Let's put the flooring in here. Looks pretty good. I do like the cloud carpet though. Pretty neat and convenient, you know. Alright. I still will appreciate Annalisa for giving me that, you know. Oh yeah, I forgot I wanted to talk to you real quickly about the pastor search committee before I get into the last thing tonight. We'll just sit right here, I guess. Dad ate lunch with Michael Wayne Martin, who's the pastor of Bethany Church in Lexington, this afternoon, and basically what he told Dad was by Sandy, basically that that two people, basically by names of Brenda Forrest and Vernon Walters, are looking for the perfect pastor or something. I don't know. But as it relates to money, they may not want to deliver stuff to the association anymore. I don't know. I don't know too much greater detail, but all this is not Dad's fault. Them two both are not real Christians. Brenda or Vernon, they're not real Christians at all. Their focus and control is only about themselves and how to be happy. They just want the pastor just to do everything for them, I guess. And they're wanting to pay the pastor extra or something. Well, why don't, I mean, I'm afraid the church might collapse in ways. That's hard for me to say. But the stage of it right now is not so great. I'm just afraid right now that the worst is coming. And I feel like I'm seeing a potential apocalypse. In case if you're wondering what that word means, why don't you look it up in the dictionary and you can read it for you. And that will tell you for you. But I know what it means, but I don't know the full definition, but I do know what it means. So it's something like a crisis. And that's what I feel like we have going on right now. But Dad's not fear-mongering or anything about it. He'll just keep doing what he's doing. And with Sandy's just got to put them two in their place and say enough is enough and leave Dad alone. You know, he doesn't have to do the pastor search committee thing. Sandy doesn't need to. He needs to stay out of this. You can't have the pastor just wanting to preach and that's it. I want you, if you're looking for somebody, he cannot do everything for you. That's truly not the goal. And final thing I'll say, just as we go over, as we go over to the cafe, basically. Okay, God, I'm sorry. My apologies. Now we're going to do the cafe, but the last thing I'll just say is it relates to the pastor search committee. Sorry. Okay, all right. I'm getting ahead of myself in a lot of ways, so please accept my apologies for that. Anyway. And I feel like I see the worst coming in this church. Therefore, those two people may shift their blame truly on Dad. I don't know. He might be the enemy of them too. I think that he is, but I don't know. But no, obviously the church clerk is really getting disappointed as well. And she's getting really mad. Because, I mean, she's basically defending Dad, but I don't know. But I guess that's all. I'm just going to leave it there for now. And, chatter. Good God. Okay. Kilimanjaro coffee beans. Lots of milk. 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Dottie again. Okay. Blue Mountain coffee beans. Lots of milk. 3 spoonfuls of sugar. What? No. Get out of here, Vic. Oh my God. What is he doing here? You ain't moving this town, no freaking way. He wants Blue Mountain coffee beans. Regular amount of milk. And 2 spoonfuls of sugar. I don't want Vic here. I don't want him to move in. I had T-Bone before, but I like T-Bone better. Vic is just, I don't know, he's a little weird. He looks like an angry pirate or something, I don't know. Like a mud-looking cow, I don't know. Okay. Kilimanjaro coffee beans. Lots of milk. 1 spoonful of sugar. I hope that was good. We didn't. Vic was a little. That's why I am preferring my church. Hopefully now to be at Hillside Park. You know, I can't assume everything's going to be perfect within churches, but every church is going to have issues and things like that. Center Hill's been having this for a long time now, but things are not strolling in the right direction. If you would just say prayers for my home church and the Center Hill, I'm trying to see God's direction, but I think it is Hillside Park in the foreseeable future. But please bear with me on that. And I look forward to being there tomorrow night. We'll be on tomorrow, like in the afternoon, basically, because we're not doing our, because we're not gonna do in the evening, like around this time. I would be over there right now, basically, and so therefore we're not gonna do that. I'm hoping to do it around lunchtime or something tomorrow. Just bear with me, but I will do it earlier tomorrow. And I want to thank you, as always, for watching every episode. Do not forget to like, subscribe, check out my videos. Enjoy the content, because I don't take it lightly. We are excited to have Berto come and move in. He's gonna find a plot somewhere tomorrow. I'm hoping it's not around that area where everybody's been moving in at, and I hope just everybody can just enjoy. And y'all just pray for me. I'm gonna try to go to bed a little earlier tonight and try to get some things in. And maybe if this is a tadpole here, let's try to catch this real quickly, and then we'll finish the episode for the night, and then we'll be finished. I doubt it is, but as I said, it's worth a try. I want to get this for Annalisa before the day's over, but that's a crawfish, but nice try. Thank you for watching this episode. Like I said, we're going to be on earlier tomorrow because of me going to Hillside Park. And I'm going to kind of give you more of an outlook as it relates to our beach vacation. But just stay tuned for that. In case you're wondering what I'm doing for my birthday this Friday, I'm going to go down to the Classic. The restaurant where it has a big buffet. It's got anything you want, basically. So I'm going to eat there for dinner Friday night around 5 o'clock. So I'll be with you in the afternoon Friday. Just stay tuned. And then Thursday, I guess, will be normal schedule. And then tomorrow will be earlier. It will be in the afternoon. Enjoy your day. God bless you. I guess we'll just end the day with me getting bit by a mosquito. Have a good day. God bless.